we were talking about the videos that I've done here, and he was like, "Yeah, dude, I was nervous for you doing that windshield on that GT3 RS." I was like, "Why? It was just a car." I'm just glad Matt listened to me, and I was like, "Dude, do not tell people I do PDM. Like, I can't have that. Like."
You don't use Blue Max anymore?
I don't. I think the Blue Max personally chips too easy. Like the blade nicks.
What do you like to use right now?
Right now I'm using an Orange Crush. But I flip between that and the yellow Flat Out, which originally was designed for. It was originally designed for flat glass.
Okay.
I really like that there's no boxes being packed right now.
Kevin has a basketball game today. I have to watch.
Basketball game?
Yep. So it's good to see y'all. Hey, I'll ask you more questions later, man. I appreciate it, man. Take it easy.
Yeah. Let me know.
Is that heavy?
Let me know.
I know, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Hi, Martin. I'll see you,
Alright,
man.
man.
Good to see you, man.
Yeah?
Love the hustle, man. You inspire me a lot. Take it easy, bud.
Yeah, man.
Take it easy.
These windows are so weird.
Yeah.
All these manufacturers doing these tiny little... I don't get it.
Little triangles here, and just to be like black,
Yeah.
like plastic or metal or.
The ones that are hella Volkswagen. Kyle's car? Oh. How close does he live?
It's between like it's by like Eustis, I want to say, like right around there.
If I'd have thought about it, I'd have told him to bring the new SUV this way.
Oh yeah, the Tiguan.
Yeah.
Yeah, I messaged him. I don't think he got back to me.
Well, no, but I'm saying like.
He left his gift card here from his birthday. I was like, dude, I think you lost this. It's like, people usually just leave a $50 gift card just to.
Was it an OG gift card?
It was a Best Buy one from a family friend
I was
that he
gonna say,
got.
that would be hilarious. I had a guy reach out to me. He had a Fiesta, not a Focus, a Fiesta ST.
Mm-hmm. I'm familiar. I had a Focus ST before this car, which is just the bigger version of that.
He drove down from Georgia,
dude,
for me to tint it.
That's quite a ways. Jeez.
Because now he's got family here, so it's not like, you know, he didn't drive, 7 hours just for that. But he was like, if you're tinting on OG, I'll just wait till the next time I'm in that area.
Yeah, just knock it all out at once.
Yeah.
Like, I'm gonna be there, might as well do it.
gotta work a couple things out of the back window and I'll be done.
Nice. Looks good.
Yeah, she came out good.